the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Video it up. Yeah.
Why you mad?
Video it up. Bitch or bitches. Why you mad? Eh? Why you mad? After me two wedding me say in the talk up video say on a don't look good in a me turn the matter and vice. All of a sudden to add up you and your friend them in. So till you send in one picture gone on the pink wall, bitch, please. Let me tell you this. If you's a real hot girl, you don't need an next bitch for determine for your hotness. You have to know so you're hot. Confidence me have, no fight, and you want some. And guess what? Me nah give you none for free. Bitches like you need for buy. Yeah, you want to buy some of my confidence because my confidence turn over.
Yeah, turn over. Yeah, all I know now.
Dash it.
Me, no. Get a 1 inch, get another 1 inch. What a way me about uno. Eh? My 1 inch.
I run my friend run
off.
Yes, at Trinidad. She go away go. Trinidad at
Bahamas.
Bahamas, my friend go. And she take the banana boat and it drop her off somewhere across the border. Somewhere where you come and see. And then she end up in California. Why you man? Want me can. Me never call no phone. I never puke. I never puke. Yes, you with your dirty blood clot self. Me show me dry condom and just go pick them up so with your yes. True me say on a dull good. Again I repeat on a dull good in a me 20 matter and vice. It not stop earth up you and your friend them head. Yes, so till you got on pink wall like I said. You don't talk about oh me nose big. Bitch, big and proud. Big and proud. Fluffy or whatever you want call. Big and proud. Confidence. My confidence stirred over. Already you. Yes.
What? You ain't got a confidence.
Tell her.
You ain't got a jam.
Tell her. You gotta talk about how me fat. So
you
what is my fat? Like me say my confidence stirred over. You mad?
Yes.
Bitch, why you mad? Why you mad? The next thing you come talk about how me bleach out. Bitch, get your facts right. I don't, bitch. Natural browning right here. Okay, natural browning. I don't have nothing against nobody who bleach. Just make sure say you bleach reach. Me not business about people who bleach. I hear money bleach if you want bleach. The next thing you come talk about how much me wear fake contacts. Like I said, get your facts right. Whoever know me in a real life knows that my eyes, they are real. Yeah, them real. And the next thing. Yeah, you said me favor Fiona. Me last time I checked, Fiona from Shrek is a fucking star, so I'm happy. I'm looking like Fiona. I'm happy. I'm looking like Fiona because Fiona is a fucking star. A star with millions of people go watch, and you watch it too. That's why you know some me look like Fiona. So watch me, bitch. Fiona walking around in California. Yes, like you say, oh, my nose big like a sweet pepper. Let me tell you this, I would take this big nose any day over a big hole. Yes, over ocean hole like you're one of your friend them. Yeah, the man them a talk about it is stinker road. Yeah, imagine how your nose small and your hole big. That's a no-no, boo-boo. That's a no-no. Big nose. Title, yeah, I saw him like it, so him tell me so. Yeah, imagine if you see how you what talk about people and this and that and them thing there. Look here, just imagine how much money you changed in the past 5 years or more. Eh? Just imagine how much money you change, like you change your dirty jars every day. Go ahead, can
so
chat
funny.
to me.
You know, it's the person who know you the least have so much to say.
Yeah.
Tell you this, bitch, you say anything to me have to say about anybody or any girl.
We call
me. Yes.
And the bitch know who we attack.
Yes, because the last person, something went down, it delete themselves. Another thing, why not saying on a fake profile?
Don't it?
If you don't like me and don't like my friend, why not do it?
Don't it?
Get your life.
Get your life, bitch. Don't it like my cousin talks to my one that say. Don't send us anything and you know you don't like, we're not feeling us. Don't do it.
Yes,
do not looking ass bitches. Yes,
looking ass
bitches. Why you over there watching video? Here's the next one for you to watch. Oh, and you can send in this one.
Yes.
You know, I want to ask you one more question.
What a fashion?
Is who we fuck for you?
That boy I know.
Yeah. Are we fucking your father, bitch? Are we fucking your brother? Are we fucking your uncle? Are we fucking your nephew? Are we fucking your grandfather? And the list go on and on. all big. No man. No man. I bet you say you is a headshotting photo taking pitching bitch that only take headshots and I act like you're cute. No, you're all big like the ocean on a don't look good.
99 cents, get up and go out.
Rude, you're rude.
No bitch, come with something better than
Rude,
that.
you're rude.
Cause the last bitch me give it to her the same to me, you say come better than that.
You know what? I think say that bitch didn't want the 99 cents get up where you did have on because she
good,
don't look good. Your Bex, call my friend 99 cents get up that beat you wicked, not even body that murder you. Maybe I soon get now.
Here it is to say most of the stuff that when me wear, me make it.
Don't it?
Yes, get your facts right.
Get your facts right, looking ass bitches, and then you want to talk about with ear. Remember tell you this, we ear are very expensive, and don't worry about our colors. More colors will be coming. We don't want to look like Uno. We don't want to look like Uno. We like to look unique and different. So more colors will be coming.
Oh, keep it posted.
Keep it posted, yeah. Stay tuned, okay?
Always remember that mind over matter. I don't mind, and Uno don't matter to me. So guess what? I'ma keep on giving you stuff to talk about.
Looking ass bitches. Bye, bitch. Bye, bitches. Bye, brokey.